Prepare this easy chocolate cake with me. One cup all-purpose flour. 1 cup powdered sugar. 1/4 cup cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix and sieve the dry ingredients. Half cup buttermilk. 1/4 cup oil. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. 1 egg. Half cup warm water. Mix all the ingredients until combined. Fill greased and floured Sufuria with cake butter. Remove air bubbles by tapping Sufuria. Bake in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Let sit for 15 minutes in Sufuria. Then turn out the cake to cool completely. Your homemade chocolate cake is ready.